As you know, Bitget hosts competition and sign-up event for celebrating Diwali the best way possible, but there is more to it, as in this video I will fully explain Diwali event from Bitget that can make you big money. Are you new to Bitget and eager to embark on a crypto adventure? Join our Diwali newcomers event and let the spirit of Diwali guide your way. You can win exciting rewards, including hot tokens like SOL, XRP, Pepe, IMX, and much more. No need to rush. This event will be running from 11 a.m., November 6, 2023, 11 a.m., November 15, 2023, so you all will have time to catch up and spin to get the best rewards. But what are the rewards? Here are some details I can share in this video. 1. First net deposit task. New registered users who complete their first deposit will earn entry tickets. You will be getting up to 3 tickets to spin. 2. First trading task. Complete your first trade to unlock more chances to win. You will be getting up to 8 tickets for new users. 3. P2P tasks. Complete P2P deposit to win chances. You will be getting up to 3 tickets. 4. Trading tasks. Complete any forms of trading to win more. 5. Referral task. Invite your friends to join Bitget to earn additional entries. You can get up to 3 tickets. In case you're unsure about how to sign up and take part in this occasion, the following brief guide will assist you. Sign up or sign in on Bitget's webpage. Select the desired cryptocurrency from the Buy Crypto option in the upper left corner to make a deposit. Take part in the assignments I have explained above. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to kickstart your crypto journey with Bitget. Start completing tasks and increase your chances of winning today. Remember, the more tasks you complete, the greater your chances of winning these fantastic prizes. Get ready for some crypto excitement.